Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix GoDaddy could not connect to database error. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're having problems with your database here for GoDaddy, you can connect it. Well, there are going to be a few things that you could try. So first things first that you need to do here is you want to check for any services that is currently down for GoDaddy. Now sometimes the error itself might be because of GoDaddy, especially if it's working before. Now in this case, in order for you to see that, you want to go and click on Help Center at the top right of your screen. So in your dashboard here, and from here, what we do is you just need to basically access the system status option, which in this case allows you to basically see the current status of the servers for GoDaddy. That includes GoDaddy.com, hosting, GoDaddy support, and a lot more. Now, if you do see one of them has partial outage, major outage, or maintenance, then most likely that is the cause of your issue here, especially again if it's working before. Now, another thing that you need to take a look at here, also when you're inspecting your database here, make sure that the credentials are actually correct. So in this case, make sure your password or username or DB username is actually correct. Now, in this case, if you're sure that's correct, another thing that you need to take a note here is your database might be corrupted, or in this case, you need to basically repair your database. Now, in order for you to do that, you need to go ahead and go to PHP My Admin, access your database here, and just want to select all the database that you want to basically repair. Now, from here on, at the very bottom, you want to go ahead and select whichever action that you want to do here, which in this case, you want to go ahead and select repair as the option or action that you want to do. Now, if none of this work, then most likely the issue itself might be deeper, which in this case, contacting GoDaddy support is the best way to do here. Now, again, you want to go to your dashboard here for GoDaddy, and you want to go and click on Help Center, and you should see the option here that says Contact Us. Now, depending on the time that you're accessing this page here, the option to contact him may be or may not be available. So in this case, if it's available, you should be able to see the option here that says Contact Us. And yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So currently, those are the only things that we could do right now. Especially if this is too complicated, if you change a lot of things on your database, it might be best to start from scratch. But just in case if you have a lot of data already in that, it's best to get a professional help for this one. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.